I'm a little stuck here. The bridge is broken, so I had to take a sideways route. And as you can see here, I kind of got stuck. Just a little. Doesn't look as good on camera as it does in real life. But we're going to see what we can do here. It's a lot harder with one hand than it is with two. I'm going to pause the video. Wait, no, I'm not going to pause the video because I don't know how to... Anyway. Oh, snap. All over my phone. Oh, snap. All over my phone. I'll take care of that later. Nope, not doing that again. The exhaust pipe is underwater, and so are my feet. Look at my arm. Covered in mud, as are my legs, feet, and probably face, although I can't tell. And my cell phone is also covered in disgusting mud. I'm going to have to clean it off later. But, yeah, I'm not as stuck, but I'm still stuck, and I'm even more covered in mud than I was. Alright, this video is getting a bit long. I'm going to get unstuck and then... Oh, wait. Let's take a look at the back. I probably shouldn't have stopped the ATV because now it's going to flood the engine. All the water's going in the exhaust pipe. Bad idea. I'm going to stop the video.